Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Krisp AI with Microsoft Teams in 2026. If you want to reduce background noise and improve your voice quality during Teams meetings, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Krisp AI account. If you haven't installed the Krisp desktop application yet, download it, complete the installation, and sign in using your account credentials. Next, launch the Krisp AI app and select your physical microphone and speakers. Turn on noise cancellation for your microphone to remove unwanted sounds before they reach Microsoft Teams. Now open the Microsoft Teams desktop application and click the Settings menu. Go to the Devices section to configure your audio settings. Next, under the microphone option, choose Krisp Microphone as your input device. If you're using Krisp for output audio, select Krisp Speaker as your speaker device as well. Now start or join a Teams meeting and speak normally. Krisp AI will automatically reduce background noises such as keyboard typing, fan sounds, traffic, and other distractions while keeping your voice clear. Before joining an important meeting, use the Make a Test Call feature in Microsoft Teams to confirm that your microphone and speakers are working correctly. Finally, keep the Krisp AI application running in the background whenever you're using Microsoft Teams so noise cancellation stays active throughout your meetings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Krisp AI with Microsoft Teams step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.